Hey y'all, welcome to today's video. So, if you watched my review of the Color Street nail strips, then you know how crazy obsessed I am with these nails. So much so that I signed up, I just went ahead and bit the bullet and did it, signed up to sell them just for the sheer fact that I want to get them for myself. So, I got my starter kit in the mail, so I figured I'd do a real quick unboxing video of what you get in the starter kit. I'm super excited just because I want to use it all. So this is what the box looks like that came in the mail. This is it. Whoops! Ding dong. Okay. But this is what the kit looks like when you open it, okay? So, right off the bat, you get all these nail strips. So the kit is, I think it was $129, and it has like a retail price of like $200 and something dollars, like $250, something like that. I don't know. But anyways, first thing first, you get all these nail strips. The ones I got are, I got this Mermaid Brigade one, which is really pretty, like mermaid print. I got this solid called Aspen Sky. It's a pretty light blue. Got a glittery one. It's like a silvery glitter called Fort Worth It. You do get one French manicure. The rest of these strips, I think you just kind of get, it varies. I think it says you'll get like one French and then a few solids, a few pattern, a few glitter. But anyways, I got this French one called Meet Me in Paris. I got this, which is one of the newer prints, Palm Before the Storm. It's an overlay, so it's clear with the little black palm leaves. Then we got No Way San Jose, like a mauve pink. We got Munich Mulberry, which is a little bit darker of a shade. And this is one of my favorites, Coming Up Rose Gold. It's kind of like a dipped glitter, rose gold glitter that you can put over other polish. It's got like a clear background, so that one's really pretty. And we got, this is also one of my favorites. Y'all know if you watched my video, I love this one. This is Tokyo Lights, and it's a really pretty like rose gold glitter. Okay, this one is called Bordeaux Glitz. It's like a really deep purple sparkle. Then you get one pedicure, so this is one of their pedicures, which I don't know. I feel like it's kind of silly because the pedicure ones you can use on your fingers, and like I do my toes with the regular strips. So you can do a pedicure with the regular strips, and it only takes me 3 little actual nail strips to do my full both feet. It only takes me 3. So I don't really know why they label it pedicure. I mean, they're a little bigger, which my toes are smaller, so I don't know, unless you have like a super humongous toenail, I don't really see the point in the pedicure. I would just use them for your actual fingernails, and I can get away with using one pack for my fingers and my toes, and I can do it twice, like a full set, hands and feet, twice out of one pack. I would just use this probably as like an accent nail, but it's really cute. It's called Dance the Night, and it's like a pink glitter. It's pink background with like a multicolored glitter. And then you get 2 petites. So petites are made for smaller nails, so like for kids, which these are still way too big for my daughter. She's 2, but if you have a smaller nail bed, these would probably work for you, which I mean, they all come with various sizes, so. But anyways, you get 2 petites. This is one of the prettiest ones, I think. It's called Tiny and Shiny, and it's a really pretty shimmer overlay, like you can put it over other colors. And then this one is called Achieve Greatness, and it's like a ombre purple sparkle. So you get 13, what am I doing with my hands here? 13 nail sets, which is like awesome because most of these are, they're between $11 and $14. The French manicure is $14, and then the solids are $11. So the lowest is $11, the highest is $14, and then the other ones are in between, like $12 or $13, the glitters and the patterns and stuff. So you get 13. So already right there, you're looking at like plus 13 times, let's say just 11. So what, 141? Am I doing the math right? 13 times 10 is 130. And then you add another 13, 130, or no. Yeah. So 143. I need a calculator. 143. So you're already above the price point because I think the box was like 129 or something. And you're already above that. So just with these, and we're not even getting into the rest of the box yet. So pretty good deal. Then on top of that, you get these little packs of, they call them twosies. It's 2 nail strips that are supposed to be used as a sample that you can give out to people if like you're trying to sell it and they've never heard of it. You can be like, oh hey, you want to try this out? But in my opinion, like, I want to use these for like accent nails and stuff. If you get so many, you could do like a full set with these too. Or if you're someone who likes to mix and match your nails like I do, like right now. I've got on the patriotic print because it's about to be 4th of July. So I went ahead and did my patriotic nails, and this one's this one I believe was called Flag You're It, but then I also did the white and the red accents. So I kind of mix my nails a lot of times. I don't use one solid thing. I like to mix them. But the print here was called Flag You're It, and then I used the white, which is called Swiss and Tail, and then this red color was Baton Rougey. So I like to kind of mix my nails a lot of times. So these little twosies are great for that because you can like mix, you know, you can throw in a couple little accent nails with another color, which is really cute. But anyways, you get, I believe you're supposed to get 72 of these. I counted these and I got 77, I believe. So they gave me like 5 extra. I don't know if that was an accident, like it just miscounted, but I think I got 77. The colors I got in my little twosies. So I got 15 of this pattern, and this is like this really cute. It's called Party in the USA, and it's these really cute like bubblegum pink almost with like a multicolored like confetti looking glitter. So I got 15 of these. Just out of these 2 I could get 4 nails because I can use 1 strip on 2 nails. So that's almost 1 hand just in this little pack, which is neat. Then I got this really pretty like magenta sparkle. It's called Fiji Fuchsia. So I got 16 of these. Okay. Then I got 15 of these. This is the Tokyo Lights. That's one of my favorite ones. Then I got 15 of these, and this print is called Coral Bay, and it's like an ombre shimmery coral to gold. And then 16 of these. And this one is like an ombre blue to aqua, and it's called Long Time No See. Very cute. So that alone, like the strips and these little twosies, like I'm so excited because I can use so many different combos, especially with these little twosies to do my nails. Like, so excited. Then on top of that, you get 2 nail files, and they come in this little case, which is nice. So 2 of those to like shape your nails and stuff before you do them. Then you get two of these like nail buffers. There's a file on one side, file, and then step number 2 is buff. And it's got step number 3, polish, and step number 4, shine. So you can kind of like make your nails look really nice before you do them. If you're someone who takes the time to do all that. Sometimes, I'm gonna be honest, I just like remove my polish and put new stuff on because I don't have time. But if I do have time, I'll like clean up my cuticles and kind of buff my nails a little bit and stuff like that. Shape them a little bit. So that's nice that they give you all that. Then this little top part comes out and you get a little brochure that tells you about the founder and the whole Color Street family or whatever. Then you get this little brochure on how to apply them, and then there's some tips on the back about applying it. You get a Color Street bag to keep all your stuff in if you're someone who's gonna, I guess, do like parties and stuff, which I'm not gonna do stuff like that. If anything, I'm gonna go online and just like do a live and sell the ones, you know, that I have in my inventory. Go online and do a live and sell them that way. I'm not really one to like push people to buy stuff, and that's just not my style, because I can't stand people to annoy me and like invite me to groups and constantly like pester me and bombard me about buying stuff from them. So if anything, I'm just gonna go live on my own Facebook and be like, hey, I got these, do y'all want some? Let me know, I'll mail them to you. But anyways, that's nice to have if you're planning on like making this an actual full big business. I mainly did it just basically to get free nails, because if I sell enough to just cover the price of the ones I'm buying for me, then it just kind of like balances out. So basically, I'm just selling them to basically like break even, just so I can get mine for free, if that makes sense. Then you get a little packet of nail prep pads. You get a little box of 100. So this is just like the little packet that comes in the actual nail. The nail kit comes with a little one of these little pads to clean your nails first, so it'll adhere good. So you get 100 of these, which is nice. And then you get 2 boxes of 20, so that's 40 total of nail polish remover pads, which is also nice. You also get 2 little packs, and I'm not sure how many are in here, but you get 2 packs of the little files that you can use to file off the excess strip off your nail. This stuff is more for like if you want to put together little sample cards. You give them like one of these little twosies, a little nail prep pad, and a little file. And then there's also these like cuticle pusher things, these wooden sticks. You throw one of those on there and you give them like a little tester kit if you want to do that. Or if you're doing parties, like you've got all these laid out for the ladies to try it out before they buy it. But me personally, again, like I said, I'm not really going to do parties and stuff, especially with what's going on right now. I'm not. With the whole like COVID thing, I kind of just stay home and stick to myself and my family just to keep us all safe. I got little babies, so I'm trying to keep my kids safe. So, like I said, I'm not going to use these for parties. I'm probably just going to use them for myself. Or if people like actually really want to try it out, I could probably like mail it to them for them to try before they buy it. But most of my sales are probably going to be like through Facebook or online. So anyways, then you get these little brochures, colorful opportunity brochure. So I'm guessing this is like if you want to join or sign up to sell under somebody, then that's what this is. Again, I'm not usually a fan of the whole like pyramid type business, so I'm not going to be like pushing people to sign up under me and stuff. But I guess if you are one that really wants to like build a team and like move high up in the company, then this talks about the whole like story and becoming a stylist and things like that, and the perks of it and what you get and all that. So if someone's like, so if I signed up to sell, like, how does that work? You could just give them one of these and it kind of explains it to them. Okay, then you also get a pack of these. These are their spring summer catalog. It's got like pictures of all the nails inside, the patterns that they have for spring and summer of 2020. And then lastly, there's this little like spiral notebook. Put your name on it. You put your like starting days and then like your 30-day marks for the Jumpstart program, which is something that they kind of like an incentive that they do if you sell stuff within those like 30-day marks. But anyways, and then inside it's got like your bonus type info and things like that for you, and then like questionnaires for you to fill out about, I guess, like your goals for the business and stuff. But again, I'm probably not really going to use this. But anyways, so yeah, that's what you get in the box. I'm mainly just excited about all these nail strips and the little twosie packets. And I mean, I am excited about these little like remover pads and stuff too. But I mainly am just excited about the nails because I'm obsessed with these nails. Love them so much. So that is what you get in your kit. Like I said, again, I'm not going to push this on anybody. If you saw stuff you really like or you're interested in trying them out, feel free. I will drop a link down in the comments below with my website that you can shop through. If you are interested in purchasing some of these, I'll drop that link down there and you can shop through my link if you want to. I'm going to do a quick zoom over all the products that you get so y'all can kind of see it all laid out real quick. That's about it. So, I hope this video was helpful for y'all. If anyone was looking to join or buy the box and you kind of wanted to see what it was about, what you get in it. So I hope this was helpful for you. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, please subscribe. Don't forget to click the notification bell. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.